How to turn off security alert in Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose to guide you to turn off security alert in Messenger. Do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch your Messenger app on your device. Log into your account. Tap three-line icon at top left corner of the screen. Select your icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down. Locate Privacy and Safety. Tap on it. Now select End-to-End Encrypted Chats, which is under Security. Select Security Alerts. Tap on Manage Security Alerts option, and here you will get the two options. Simply make sure that two of these options are toggle off. You can easily tap on it to turn the button off, and this will turn off your security alerts in Messenger. So that was it, guys. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.